We can finally find the water. I mean, here the water. You see, there is a stream. There is a trail, they say. I ran out of stream. Oh, I see something. Damn. Damn. Look at this, man. It's a double, how it's called? It's a double this shit, you know. Just my translation is not working right now because I'm in a f***ing jungle. Let's get away from this f***ing dangerous shit. This is why you're walking, man. So you can find places like this. You can't reach places like this with dirt bikes, guys. So sometimes just go walk. Oh fuck, I hope I don't lose my phone. Oh my shit. Ah! What the fuck? There is something looking like a bike. It is a fucking bike. And it is under the water. What the fuck? Under the water, man. Crazy. Looks like I'm not alone. And you can reach some places with dirt bike. What the f? There is something like toboggan here. Man, this bike doesn't seem like someone is f***ing owning it there. Hope I don't smash, man. I didn't take my best gear for climbing. I did not expect this. Sick. Nobody's here, man. Hello. I was looking for the river stream and I find, ow man, I'd find a f***ing dirt bike. How I'm gonna get down here? Bro, this is some death wish shit. My gear, man. What the f***? Not. I'm not gonna die in peace for sure. What the f***? This is going. This is the way, the right way down, you know. Turn your back against the prepad. Slippery. Hello? Anybody here? I only hear planes, man. What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm going for this bike. I'm gonna take a picture first. Like, found a fucking dirt bike. Middle of water, under the water. Actually, the engine is in the water. Probably getting it in the filter and oil. The fuck, man. Thank God I have waterproof shoes, man. Going in naked, man. Oh, very cold, man. Oh man, what the f***? Man, what is this f***ing Nile of the lake monster? What the fuck? What? What the fuck? This is Honda, man. Honda CRF. Seems like 250. Pretty fucked actually. What? Bro, did this bike fall down the stream, man? Holy shit! How I get this out now? Let's test the deepness of the water. It's not so deep here. Yes. No, very good. I can actually walk here. Oh my god. Door totally stuck. Bro, who would let bike like that, man? What the fuck? Oh. I can go swimming like that and the bike is in the water. What the fuck? Found it. Got it. Hopefully nobody come around. I bet it doesn't work, man. It was in the water first. Won't work in the gear. No. I'm not gonna turn it down here. Oh, I must not drop it. Who the fuck left it here? Someone must take a picture of me here making me. I found, guys. Fuck him. Here. I'm gonna turn this on with the fucking shoes, man. With this. With this. Oh my god.
Have a fucking lights, man. Oh my god.
As it fades out. The choke. But good that I know dirt bikes, man.
I can try my
Has a nice fucking sound, man. Aftermarket exhaust, man.
Bike have totally wet dick.
Oh my god.
Look at this shit. Has a nice sound, I must say. Maybe this one is better.
Thank you. I don't know how much fuel we have, but this must be dry now. Kes? Ano, model. Ja se klepo šetam dole, veš, po hribu, sam iskao slapa, ne. I tako gledam dole u jezerčak, i tako fucking motor tam dole. In... U vodi, da. In uglavnom gre... Da, pizda, mogu sam se sleć do gači show i uglavnom dela, ej. Moje je 450 glede na zvuk, posluš to, ej, posluš. Au! Holy shit, man. I forgot to dry my Crocsas. Almost fell. I realized that is 450. CRF 450. Welcome in the family, man. Oh no. Oh my god, almost. Oh, pick it up, motherfucker. Be strong, Vladimir. Oh. shit. Hell yeah.